welcome. And I'm going to be doing another hair review. I love this ponytail, you guys. This is actually my second ponytail, and I had the, let's see what color this is. I think this is a number 2. I actually don't see. Oh yeah, it's a number 2. And the first one was a 1B, but I got another ponytail that was number 2 and it was perfect. So after about a year, here I am with another one. And it's so easy to put on, you guys. I flat ironed my hair and put it in a ponytail, tied it down. Sometimes I put this into a braid because my ends are blunt. It doesn't really stay, and then I have to put a ponytail holder on it. So today I'm not gonna bother. So easy to put on, which is why I love it, and it's so cheap. Y'all know me, I'm frugal. I wrap it and then I secure it with regular hairpins, not bobby pins, but the ones that are open a little bit at the end. And then at the end, it has this little piece that you just wrap around. So this is my Organique Pony Pro 32-inch natural Yaki ponytail. These are the pins that I use to put one in each side so they meet up in the middle. Well, actually they kind of intersect each other through the middle. So I am 5'4", and it comes just past my butt. Super easy. And if you maintain it, you should be able to keep it for a while. I don't sleep in this. I have though, but I try not to. I do buns with this and it stays pretty nice to be synthetic. So that's all, you guys.